Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2019 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium. Now XLE Premium is going to be a trim level above your XLE. It's going to give you those 19-inch alloys, sunroof, and some other neat features we'll point out throughout the video. Now this one is going to be in silver sky with the black Softex interior. Now you do have your standard LED headlights as well as fog lights down below. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 as well. Coming down here to your wheels, you're riding on those 19-inch alloys as well as Yokohama tires. Turn signal indicators in your mirror. Checking out that window sticker. As far as the options go, you can see we do have the clear paint protection hood and door package, as well as carpet mats and phone charger for a total of $31,656. Sorry if that's difficult to see. Gas mileage is going to be 26 city, 35 highway, 30 combined. Now coming around back, you do have rear cross traffic alert, rear backup camera, as well as blind spot monitoring, power trunk on this model as well. And then stepping in, you have your smart key access system, so just keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, you do have that standard power seat, leather wrapped wheel. You can see that black Softex interior does look very nice. Softex is going to hold up a little bit better than your real leather would. And as far as this one goes, we do have 16 miles on it. So foot on the brake, button to start. So we'll check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath your hood, you do have the 2.5 liter dual overhead cam i4. It is going to feature D4S direct import fuel injection, producing 203 horsepower, 184 pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. You also do have a hybrid powertrain available as well as all-wheel drive. So we'll go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, we have that aforementioned black Softex interior, fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar down there. Door panel materials, nice padded armrest right here, power windows, locks and mirrors, as well as your door storage down below there. To the left of your steering wheel, you also do have your panel dim, automatic high beams, and your power trunk. Steering wheel is going to be tilt and telescoping. And climbing in, 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel with your 4-way D-pad for your center screen right between your gauges, as well as your voice commands, Bluetooth, and then over here on the right you do have your dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with lane keep assist, as well as your audio controls over there on the right. Automatic headlights as well as your automatic high beams with your fog lights right over here. Then over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now coming to your head unit, you do have your home screen right here. Checking out your audio. Looking at sources, we do have our AM, FM, USB, USB 2, Bluetooth streaming audio, as well as auxiliary inputs right there. And on this menu, you also do have your Apple CarPlay projection, so just go ahead and connect your phone up via USB for that feature. Down below that, dual zone auto climate controls with your driver and front passenger temperatures, fan speed, as well as your zones right here. Below that, USB and auxiliary audio inputs, as well as the 12-volt power outlet right there. Then here's going to be the controller for that 8-speed automatic. Your sport mode with manual shift. Reverse is going to give you that rear backup camera with rear cross traffic alert. You also do have your brake hold feature, power parking brake, eco, normal, and sport driving modes also. Cup holders, a nice padded armrest. Looking down in there, plenty of storage, as well as 2 powered USBs. Glove box damped with all your owner's manuals in there, as well as that phone charger. A nice technology shelf right up top also. We do have a manually dimming rearview mirror on this XLE Premium. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor. Sunglass storage up top, as well as your controls for your automatic sunroof. So we'll go ahead and close that up, and those controls are going to be right beside your SOS Safety Connect. So that about wraps it up for the front seat. We'll go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back here, as you can see, your black Softex does carry through, as well as your door panel materials with your padded armrest, power window, and door storage. Go ahead and kick off any dirt before climbing in. Front seat set a little bit farther back from my 5'9" driving frame, and still do have plenty of room, plenty of footroom down below as well. Rear AC vents, as well as 2 charging USBs down there, 1 seat mat pocket, and then over here to my right, you do have a nice padded armrest with cup holders, 3 adjustable headrests also. And then your roof does cave back up to give you plenty of headroom from that sunroof. Nice shot of the dash right there. We'll go ahead and check out the cargo area, and then we'll wrap up our video. Now coming around back on the RAV4, of course you do have that rear backup camera, dual outlet exhaust, as well as to access your power trunk, just go ahead and press and hold the button on your key, and it will open right up. Now behind that second row of seats, as you can see, you do have plenty of room, but go ahead and fold them flat in a 60/40 fashion to expand cargo room even more. Nice tonneau cover right here to keep prying eyes off your stuff. We also do have our brochure right there, of course, coincidentally. Underneath your cargo floor, temporary spare tire and jack. You do have some illumination as well as a 12-watt outlet over there on the right side, and some D-rings in all four corners to tie down larger items. Now, of course, to close the trunk, you can press the button, or you can just give it a little tug, and it will just go ahead and finish closing for you. But that about wraps it up for this 2019 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium example over here at Massey Toyota. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section. And if you'd like to reach out to Massey, all of their information will be in the description below. So once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.